Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to insert chart pattern in TradingView chart. So before we start, you need to familiar with your chart pattern before you start putting chart pattern in your graph. So basically you need to study the chart pattern. Either the chart is going bullish or bearish after the chart pattern form. For example, for this double shoulder, it break upwards, so it means it will show bullish trend going upwards when the chart pattern have break the support or even the resistance. You need to find out your familiar chart pattern before you start your trade. So to put in chart pattern into your graph, first of all you can go to the indicator tab and go to the community tab. In community tab, just search for chart pattern. So as you can see, here are a sum of chart patterns are showed. So scroll down to community and type for auto chart patterns by Tendoscope. After that, it will show the chart pattern in your graph, and it will show the breakout point clearly shown in your graph. For example, this is a converging triangle. After it break downwards, it will go further down. So basically, if you have your chart pattern, you can analyze your graph more easily. If you want to have more guidance, you can also add for candlestick pattern into your graph. If you have the two support, the candlestick pattern and the chart pattern, you can more easily know how to trade and also plan for your trade. So basically that's all for today's tutorial. If you want to draw your own chart, you can check the description down below using TradingView. Thanks.